We have been doing digests for over a year now. You can follow me on your profile and click the bell. This is the best motivation for us. And also, you can listen to us in a convenient platform, YouTube. Foxconn factory in China resumes production of iPhone SE2, iPhone 9. Foxconn CEO Terry Gou made a statement saying that the company's factories in China have resumed operations. Moreover, the pace of production has already exceeded all expectations. Gou also said that supplies of components to Foxconn plants will soon return to their usual level. Foxconn is Apple's main manufacturer, but they also produce for many other companies. According to rumors, one of the consequences of the outbreak of the coronavirus COVID-19 was the delay in the release of iPhone 9. Due to supply problems and the closure of factories, Apple had to postpone the March presentation of iPhone 9. But this is only speculation, because Apple has not officially announced that it is producing any new iPhone. Sony revealed the characteristics of the PlayStation 5. The announcement of a new prefix was scheduled for March, but because of the coronavirus, everything shifted. Yesterday, Microsoft introduced the specifications of the new Xbox Series 10, but after it, Sony decided to hurry with the announcement. Today, March 18th, the company introduced the characteristics of the PlayStation 5. The PS5 will be equipped with a custom 8-core AMD Zen 2 processor with a clock frequency of 3.5 GHz and a custom graphics processor based on AMD RDNA 2 architecture, which promises 10.28 teraflops and 36 computing devices with a clock frequency of 2.23 GHz. The console will also have 16 GB of GDDR6 RAM and a custom 825 GB SSD. One of the PlayStation 5 concept art. The company promises that new hardware will add support for games at a frequency of 120 Hz. It is also planned to add 3D audio for more immersive sound, an optional low power mode to save energy and backward compatibility with PS4 games.